Hi everyone, I'm John from Basjoo Gardening Services, and I quickly wanted to give you an example of a garden that I regularly maintain. So these particular clients are on a fortnightly maintenance schedule. They've opted for lawns to be regularly mowed, the borders to be maintained, so weeded, and shrubs pruned, and the hedges seasonally pruned as well. So we're at the end of spring right now, just about to go into summer. So the lawns are starting to calm down. I've been mowing this lawn every visit for the past few months. I'm concentrating more of my energy onto the border. But what does it look like, and what is the experience of having your garden maintained with Basjoo Gardening Services? Well, first and foremost, I've had a conversation with the clients. I've met them in person in the garden and discussed what work they would like done. They've agreed on a quotation, and I've provided an initial date to do my first visit. Upon arriving, I knock on the front door. I let the client know that I've arrived, and I do a quick walk around the garden, identifying the pressing priorities within the works that I've quoted for, and I set to work. On this particular garden, I'm here from roughly an hour to an hour and a half each visit, depending on seasonal demands, and during that time I might do a mix of things. As I say, I've been mowing lawns and doing the borders. Later on in the year, I'll be working on the hedgerows and the shrubbery, in line with the best time of the year for that particular garden. Upon finishing, I'll obviously put all the waste in the local authority council bin, notify the client that I'm going to leave, and secure the property, taking away all my own equipment. I always use my own equipment, and certainly stay clear of using my client's equipment where I can. Following the day, I'll drop an email to the client with an invoice, with my preferred payment being BACS, online payment. Once that invoice has been settled, I then inform them of the next date of my arrival. So that's regular garden maintenance with Basjoo Gardening Services. There's a link in the description to find out more information about what I can offer. I generally prioritise gardens that are sufficiently large enough that can provide year-round work, because I'm a year-round gardener. I don't go into hibernation in the winter or do a different job. I'm a specialist, and this is my craft, and therefore I'm looking for gardens that can provide me sufficient work all year round. Okay, if I can help, feel free to get in touch. Thanks. That's Basjoo Gardening Services, and my name's John. Thank you.